Welcome everyone to HSPN World of Chemistry. The decomposition of gaseous ammonia on a hot platinum surface is a zero order reaction at high pressure. My dear students, see this reaction follows zero order chemical kinetics. That means rate is independent on the concentration of reactant, only depends on rate constant. So they have done the derivation. We do these derivations. I'm going to tell you this simple answer without any derivation. Okay, are you ready for this, kids? Is everyone ready? Just see. Let me show you this platinum. Five people have drawn platinum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are platinum. Suppose these are people. These are ticket, means the one who is giving ticket or who is opening the gate, the guard. Okay, and these platinum will allow these ammonia molecules. These all are being ammonia molecules, right? Number of infinite ammonia molecules. So how many ammonia molecules will get a ticket to go towards product side to become N2NH2? So you can consider yourself to be aspirants, neat aspirants. These ammonia molecules are just like neat aspirants or IIT aspirants. And this is, you are going to your medical college, the entry gate, okay? The obstacle, the entrance. So, and then you will reach to your dream college. Now, my dear students, how many platinum are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 platinum are there. So at a time, how many platinum can interact with these ammonia molecules? One can interact only with one, means they are having vacant orbitals. So one molecule will go to one vacant orbital. So one platinum can interact only with one ammonia molecule, another with ammonia. That means 5 platinum molecules are there. So 5 molecules will get adsorbed, irrespective of how many other army are there. Are you getting my point? This is adsorption. So it depends not on the concentration of ammonia molecules, whether they are lakhs, whether they are million, billion, करोड़, अरब, खरब, कितने हैं भैया, उससे कोई मतलब नहीं, कितने भी हो तुम. Platinum says, भाई तुम कितने हो, how many you are doesn't matter. I can just interact at one time with, means one platinum with one people, one platinum. So 5 ammonia molecules will convert into product at a time. So ammonia's concentration is not going to decide the rate. Their efficiency, whose efficiency? Platinum. Suppose if platinum is taking 5 minutes to convert this ammonia into N2NH2, then it will take place in 5. Or if this is something else, if it is taking 10 minutes, somebody is taking 1 minute. So it depends on the efficiency of this platinum, and that is deciding the value K. So rate is equal to the K, and K comes from the efficiency of that what? That your catalyst which is used, how much activation energy it is going to decrease or increase, whatever it is going to do. So we got the answer without any derivation. And if you suppose you are having, we are saying that half-life, if I talk about half-life, where is a formula is given in NCERT for the half-life, zero order half-life. Okay, it's, I think half-life is given somewhere. So let's do ourselves. So suppose if I say only 10 people are there, 10 people are there. So these platinum will take, suppose if platinum is converting one ammonia into N2 and hydrogen just in 5 minutes. So 10 people are there. So just in 10 minutes, this reaction will get completed. And if you are having 20 molecules, it will take more time, and more molecules, more time. So definitely rate of reaction is not dependent on the concentration, it depends only on the K value. And if I say T half, what is T half? The time required to complete half of the reaction. So if more the molecule of these reactants, more time will be taken, more time. So simply you can see that more the people, more time will be taken. So for zero order reaction, T half definitely depends on the concentration of the reactants. More the number of molecules, more time will be required to convert into product. So T half is directly proportional to concentration of reactants, whereas in first order reaction T half is independent on the concentration of reactant. You know that is T half is equal to 0.693 upon K, where for first order reaction. Okay, I hope you got it. Do let me know in the chat section how much you have enjoyed this work kits, because this is the first time I'm making such type of things for you people just to save your time. Okay, all the best.